Welcome to ICE Blockpad, ladies and gentlemen. So, they announced the testnet phase, the public beta incentivized testnet 20 hours ago. But then, however, like myself and other persons couldn't register for the testnet due to some error. Alright, so look at this. Someone said I'm trying to register with my waitlist Gmail, but it keeps saying registration failed. Please why? So this is the same problem I encountered when I tried to register. And you go through the comments, a lot of other persons are expressing, the same concern, right? So they actually came out to share this 12 hours ago that the sign up issue has been resolved and registration is now running smoothly, right? So let's try again. So I'm going to tap on this link straight up, and I've opened it with my browser. So I'll provide my information here. I'll use the same email I used in joining the waitlist here. Now I'll create password, I'll confirm it, and I'll click on sign up. So it has truly been resolved. After registering this time around, the verification code has been sent to me. So I'll copy this code and provide on the page to complete the registration process. As you can see, email verified successfully. So we are on the ICE Blockpad testnet page now. I have 000 everything. So they have a facet here. Click on claim your daily 10,000 testnet ICE tokens and 1,000 expats. Let's click on claim facet. Okay, so I've claimed successfully. So it's daily, so that means I'll be claiming every day. So you can see here my token balance is equivalent of 10,000 USD, right? So the referral link is here. You can copy and share. So guys, I'll be leaving my referral link in the pinned comment so you jump on it and join the testnet event, right? What does the menu hold? Dashboard, swap, add liquidity, staking, additional task, right? So let's click on swap here. So let's try to swap TIs to BPAD. So let's say I want to swap 2,000. So this will give me 200 BPAD. I click on swap. So I've successfully swapped. Now, one thing about testnet is they are just like a prototype of the real thing. So most times projects want you to participate in the testnet event to help them fix areas where there are lapses, right? So while we're carrying out these testnet transactions left and right, they will keenly wait to see where challenges are, where there are lapses, so they can step in and fix those lapses so we will not have those same challenges in the mainnet, right? So that's basically the purpose of testnet, to help test a program so that if there are any errors, they'll be corrected before the launch. So these are some of the tasks you will be doing: swapping from TIs to BPAD. You can swap as many times as possible. Now, I swap from TI to BPAD. You can use this arrow to interchange which one is swapping from to which one. So you want to tap on it, you can see BPAD has gone up while TIs is down. So from here, let's say you want to swap 50 BPAD to TIs, that would be 500 TIs, right? See, you will receive this and there's going to be a reward of 10 XBPAD. So that's that for the swap. Let's hit the menu again. Now add liquidity. I have this amount of BPAD. So let's say I want to add liquidity with 75. So that would be 750 TIs, right? So I click on add liquidity. Alright, so I've added liquidity successfully, right? So you might choose to remove the liquidity, is all up to you. But so far, I have added liquidity, 75 BPAD equivalent of 750 TIs. And this right here is the history. So you might want to remove if you want. So you enter the amount that you want to remove. So let's say I want to remove 25%. I click on remove liquidity. So that is all the testnet is about. Like I've earlier explained, it's just to help in testing the platform so it will be improved on and we end up with a better launched version. Let's use stake. So let's say I want to stake 25% of my TI balance. Now I'll select stake here, click on stake ICE. So I've successfully staked, right? So now if I want to stake BPAD as well, I'll tap on the drop down arrow. I'll select BPAD this time around and I want to stake 25%. Click on stake BPAD. So back to the menu again. Which are the tasks? Additional task here. So additional task here require you to connect your Twitter account, connect Discord, connect Telegram, follow on Twitter, like and retweet, and all of these tasks have their rewards, right? So you go complete them. So those are your tasks, right? You can complete them as many as you can to stack up your tokens and participate in the different transactions. Now, your testnet tokens in most cases do not count. They are just here for you to use and they do not have any value. However, how you get rewarded here depends on how many transactions. I mean, in most of the other testnets that we have actually participated in, most times they count based on the number of transactions you've actually carried out in the testnet event, right? So if they also consider using the model, it means it's going to be based on the transaction counts, if at all there are going to be any rewards for participating in the ICE Blockpad testnet. I'm still not disputing that they might decide to use the testnet tokens. I'm just giving an example of other testnets that we've participated in, right? So make sure you come here every now and then when you have some time, and then you carry out one transaction or two in swapping, adding liquidity, staking, and additional tasks, right? So that's how you will enjoy the testnet and get rewarded for it accordingly. So that will be all for now, guys. The issue has been resolved. You can now participate in ICE Blockpad testnet without any problem. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.